Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we'll run AlphaBot. It's a free binary option robot that you also can have completely free. Just push the link you see up there right now, or you find also a link below the video. And if for some reason you can't run this robot in your country, not to worry, you find another robot below the video that works worldwide. Also, in few days I'm coming with a new robot that you also should check out that will be worldwide. But also, much also here now, but also check out my Forex copy system. It's a service that I give for $16 a month, and you can copy all my Forex signals. So if you want to do that, link below the video also. Now I will go for 100,000. I don't care how long time it will take. We will run the robot till we reach 100,000. There is around 18,000 I'm missing, so this will be a very exciting to see. And we will reach $100,000 in this video. So with that, let's start the robot and see how we do. just like that. They take a little while, but still. We have now built the account to 100,000. I think I never have been taking so much money in one turn before, but we made $18,319 today. Amazing. So, if you want this robot, you can download it completely for free. Link below the video. So, $100,000. Now I think I will take a small break from this robot and concentrate about the new robot coming very soon. But like I said, this robot is basically printing money, so it can for you also.